Hi, I'm going to show you how to add some material into a topic. So I'm going to add an April snack calendar. So I'm going to go up here to create, click on material. I'm going to title it April snack calendar. This is going to be in the topic of snack calendars, so that's what I clicked on. Then I'm going to go to this attachment. I'm going to select this file for my device and click Pre-K April Snack Calendar. I'll click Upload. So then I'm ready to post. And so then if I go down here to Snack Calendars, there's my April Snack Calendar. So teachers can click on that and be able to view the April Snack Calendar. So there you go.